Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. This guide is beginner friendly, and I'll walk you through every step. Before we begin, make sure you're downloading apps only from sources you trust, since APKs installed outside the Amazon App Store don't go through Amazon's review process. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Enable app installation. First, go to the Firestick home screen. Open Settings. Now select My Fire TV. Go to Developer Options. If you see Install Unknown Apps, open it. If you don't see Developer Options, go to About, select your Fire TV device, and press the OK button on your remote several times until Developer Options are enabled. Step 2. Install the Downloader app. Go back to the home screen. Select the search icon. Search for Downloader. Install the Downloader app developed by AFTV News. Once installed, open it and allow any permissions it requests. Step 3. Download CinePlus APK. Inside Downloader, enter the download link for the CinePlus APK from a trusted source. Double-check the URL before downloading. After entering the address, click Go. Wait for the APK to finish downloading. Step 4. Install the APK. Once the download is complete, the installation window will appear automatically. Click Install. Wait a few seconds. When installation finishes, click Done or Open. If you click Done, Downloader will ask whether you'd like to delete the APK file. You can safely delete it to free up storage space because the app has already been installed. Conclusion. And that's it, you've successfully installed CinePlus on your Firestick. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Firestick tutorials, streaming tips, and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.